All right, last thing I want to cover is my stocks of interest. Every week I always find stocks that catch my interest. How about this? Amazon leases 12 more Boeing cargo planes for Amazon Air Fleet. Think about that. Boeing, in case you didn't know, a couple of weeks ago, it was either last week or the week before that, I talked about Boeing now got the okay from the air people, all right, to get them to start making the 737 MAX again. All right, so that was huge for them. That was huge for them, and now Amazon is leasing 12 more Boeing cargo planes for Amazon Air Fleet. Very interesting. So I'm going to look at both Amazon and Boeing, how that affects each other. The next one I want to look at is Florida OK's July 11th reopening for Disney World. Man, how many grandparents out there are itching to take your grandkids to Disney World? Now, of course, you may still want to wait, and that's absolutely fine. You still may want to wait, but Disney is trying to get back open for Disney World. Has officially gotten the okay to start reopening Walt Disney World July 11th. That came just now with the state approval. The Orange County Economic Recovery Task Force gave it approval Wednesday, and Mayor Jerry Demings endorsed the schedule shortly thereafter. All right, and that's big. The Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom will open July 11th, followed on July 15th by Epcot and Hollywood Studios. So they're starting to really get ready to rock and roll. So I'm going to take a look at Disney. And last but not least, and just, I don't know how many of you attend church, doesn't matter, but we've been doing a lot of church by way of Zoom. Zoom, man, with a lot of people not being able to go out and do things, Zoom was a huge stock. It was something that I put into my watch list of stay-at-home stocks. Did anybody make any money off of Zoom? As we talked about it here in Trending Thursday, I'm just curious to know. Did anybody make money off of Zoom? How about could hit even higher highs after it had a 200% rally this year? Man, and this was a stock that I had as far as a stay-at-home stock. All right, so we were putting you into stocks to keep your eyes on as soon as the pandemic hit. All right, so Zoom could still, how about even in my church, even though we're trying to do a soft reopen to let people come back to the sanctuary, we're still going to be running Zoom. We're still going to be running Zoom. So I think that Zoom is another good stock of interest. All right, so with that, man, I need more sounds. I'm running out of sounds already. All right, that's on Joe. I don't know what I wanted to use as a sound, but let's get back into the watch list. I think that deserved a sound of some sort. Let's take a look at Zoom. How about Zoom is the number one stock by VST, our master indicator in the list. Let's go take a look at Amazon. We want to take a look at Boeing. We want to take a look at Disney. I think that was it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the four stocks. Zoom, way over its value. Why? Because as Zoom started rocking and rolling, a lot of people jumped on board with it, bought it. Stock is way overpriced. Doesn't make it a bad stock. People are definitely paying a premium to own Zoom. Amazon always has been overvalued. Boeing. How about Boeing is a tad bit overvalued right now, but very interesting. There was news, and I never covered that in Trending Thursday, that Boeing might have been going bankrupt because of all of this. But evidently, they're trying to rebound here, folks. They really are. Disney, way over its value. Let's analyze them. Relative value, upside potential on Zoom, not there. Amazon, not there. Boeing, not there. Disney, not there. These stocks right now are not stocks to hold long-term. I never thought I would ever say that Disney was not a long-term stock. But right now, with the advent of going after Disney Plus, they put a lot of money into Disney Plus, the streaming service, and then they get COVID-19. Man, Disney got decimated. But they're a company that's been around for a long time. I believe they're going to be all right. All right, relative safety on all of the stocks. The only one that actually, Amazon's got good safety above 1, and Disney's got good safety above 1. But last but not least, all four of these stocks have RTs above 1. They're all in uptrends. Let's look at their graphs real quick. View the stock graph. Let's peep them out. All right. 3 months, Zoom looks hot. Today is down. Anybody want to tell me what that candlestick pattern is that you see right there? That's called the one black crow. That could be a possible reversal. All right, so the stock is overall been rocking and rolling, but it looks like maybe enough is enough for right now. That is a possible reversal, one black crow, but still nicely above that level of the 20-day exponential moving average. Now, instead of waiting for it to break below that 20-day exponential moving average, right now I would tighten it up. Let's go move it from a 20-day to a 10-day. I would probably get out more at the 10-day than the 20-day, especially because the price of Zoom was so far away from the 20-day. I tighten that up. That's a good way of tightening up a stop. Let's go take a look at Amazon, flattening out right now, still above the 20-day, or in this case, this is the 10. Let's put it back onto the 20-day. Still above the 20-day exponential moving average, but flattening out. Watch RT. RT is starting to move lower as the stock's price is moving sideways. Be careful with Amazon. Next one, Boeing. Positive news on Boeing. Look at that. Since all this has happened, this is the first time in the last 3 months that Boeing's got an RT above 1. Boeing may not be a bad play, still at really low lows. Now I would buy it if I'm going to do it because it's above the exponential moving average and RT is above 1. But still keep in mind, the market is in overbought territory. Disney looks good. Look at that run up above the 20-day exponential moving average, broke above a level of resistance, tested as a level of support, and still went up higher. I like, there's a lot of positivity. Did that work? I didn't hear nothing.
Yeah, what'd you push?
I pushed, wait, did you hear it?
Push it.
I did push it. Okay, I hear it now.
You can't push it twice.
I can't push it twice? Did I push it twice?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, so I do like Disney right now, hitting a new 3-month high, a little bit of give back, but I do like Disney right now. Any questions, Joey? That's the last of my stocks.
No.
All right, so I got to turn this up a little bit.
What do you think about dividend stocks since MTI is so high?
Ah.
To buy right now?
All right, so be careful with dividend stocks. Question is, what do you think about dividend stocks right now? Dividend stocks are always a good play, but you got to make sure that even if a stock goes down, that the dividend still outpays what the price decline is. And I think a lot of people get stuck and say, well, the stock's going down, but I'm getting paid a good dividend. At some point, you got to have a point of return, a point of either good or bad returns. You can get paid a good dividend on the stock. Does it outweigh price decline on the stock? I don't mind in a downtrending market once it starts, or in a toppy market, to make sure that you're in dividend paying stocks. You know what I'd like even better? That you're in dividend paying stocks that you can sell covered calls on when the market goes down. That's sort of the best of all worlds. All right, I can take advantage of the capital appreciation to the upside when the stock is going up. When the stock starts, and these are good long-term stocks that I like, and they're good dividend paying stocks. So I get paid the dividend, but when the stock starts to go down, when this does happen, sell the covered call on it, and you'll still get paid the dividend because you own the stock. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.